Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website, so you can download driver. And this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of graphic cards. Asus GeForce RTX 2080 Extreme WaterForce AG. Then click on the product and then click on the title. After that it will search on your graphic card on your website, and then click on support. After that select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, 7, 8, 8.1. So all the operating system installations process same. Okay, select this and then this is your driver, and then you can see this is download icon, and when you click, just click, single click, it will start downloading in the download box. It will take some time, 4 to 5 minutes, and depend about your internet. Okay, it will complete it, and after that click on three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.